My one. It's cold. Is where we at? Pikachu pick. With Mama Mary. May nakalabas ng bahay. Nakalabas ng bahay. Oh, galing siyang California. Kahapon. Kinuha niya yung anak niya. We're going to Pikachu Peak via Hunter Trail. Going up. With Uncle.
Ewan ko siguro yung...
Si Uncle.
Yan ang uncle namin.
Nahulog
Oh,
yung banana.
nahulog. Ay, dirty na yan.
Wag, kakainin ko yan.
Oh, may baon kami.
Ayan.
Kasi para hindi sumakit ang aming tiyan, may banana bread.
So dito,
Yung banana namin,
Baliktarin
nakalimutan.
mo rin yan.
Yung dami
yung
yung
picture. Oo. He been so many times.
He's only like look for that time. Yeah, maliit lang siya. Uy, ang ganda ng sunrise now. 10 places you should hike in Arizona. Is sunrise. Pikachu Peak. Yun? I'm not sure. Freeman Trail. Oh. Yan, the first cable, the climb. Oh, wow. Woo. Climb na tayo.
Yung pala $10 a person lang.
Shortcut talaga siya. Oh.
Shortcut. No, $10 a person.
Yeah, they changed now.
No, kasi tinanong kami kung ilan ang
Quarter pa lang. 1/3. Oh, wow, nice. It's Sunday. Not too much people yet. Isang pababa ng Malakasan.
nga. Kasi alam mo, ang raming nagbabago na ngayon.
Diba? O, doon ka na. You wanna go first? 1 mile.
Okay, so here's the dangerous trail. So, nalaglag ang gloves ko, buti kinuha ni Mama Mary. Yan. Thank you very much. Yes. Okay.
Look at the cactus. Yun, Mama Mary.
Cactus sa bato.
Sa bato.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Maybe that's 10 or 20 years. There's the Sunset Trail going down. Oh, wow. Ah, I think we need 1 more mile. Oh, it's nice view. Naka-video.
Okay, girl.
Oh.
Dito, girl, ha? Yung right, girl, here.
Aha.
Tapos, i-help mo tong tungkod natin.
Okay.
1. Ay, hindi.
Yeah. Dito na-twist yung tuhod ni Troy. Natuluyan.
Hindi, 6 na to eh.
Look at them. Oh, going down.
Oh. Grove
And-
Mountain. Tapos,
2.75 going down. Not going up. Ay.
ayun ang last na ano na may
Oo.
cable.
Tapos ihi tayo doon ha.
Ano ba yan?
I'm confused.
Balik o papunta?
Papunta. Kasi kanina, 275 pabalik. Ah, confusing.
Ala, sige, bilis, bilis.
Ano naman?
Bilis. No, I'm just kidding.
Bilis, bilis.
Look how high we are.
Pero sa kabila.
So look. Woo. Hmm.
Sa sunset, o sa kabila iba. Ano yung pangalan yung long,
Teka, video.
Welcome to the peak.
Okay, so here they are. The final push to the peak. Let's go to the peak.
Alright,
Let's go.
Everybody groove to the music.
Peak of Pikachu Mountain.
Pikachu peak.
Of Pikachu.
Oh, wow. Welcome to my
Yes.
peak. My Pikachu peak.
Let's see.
Oh,
This is the peak. Woo!
yep. We're gonna find the... Oh, no people today.
Uncle,
Uncle.
This is the peak.
take a picture there.
On the tooth.
Kasi yan ang tooth niya, yung sa bagang.
Oh,
You're a
I see.
dentist.
Babagang. Oh,
Look at that 360 degrees.
yeah.
Because this is the peak.
Peak.
No.
Peak. Pikachu peak. Oh. I thought
Give me some high jump.
I cannot go back again, but here we are for my 7th times, I think.
Mine is my 3rd times.
Hike junkies! We have a
Kaya
visitor.
mo tumayo, mabalance mo sarili mo. Be
We have a
careful.
visitor today from California.
Nakatayo man.
We're
Pero
missing
be
Taboy.
careful. Kung hindi, huwag mo i-try.
Yeah. Where are you, Taboy? Upo ka na lang dyan dong.
Nag-aalaga siya sa kanyang
Yan.
apo
Be
today.
careful dong ha.
Ayan.
The final push to the peak. Let's go to the peak. Let's go. The peak of Pikachu Mountain or Pikachu Peak. Woo! Look at that. Yes. Let's see. This is the peak. Woo! Okay. So here's the peak.
Take
No.
a picture there.
Mhm.
Kasi yan ang tooth niya, yung sa bagang.
Oh,
You're a
I see.
dentist.
Yeah.
Wow. Look at that 360 degrees.
Wow.
Because this is the peak. There's nothing else. This is the top in Tucson, Arizona.
Give me some hike junkies!
I will take care of you even when I'm gone.
Siya kalahati pa lang. Sana sa'yo.
Si Mama Mary wala na, dalawa pa yan.
Ay, sa'yo dong. Kumain na.
Kumain ka na.
Tanongin mo.
Mawawala yung...
Ka, mawawala yung banana bread mo.
Alam ni Ems, dalawa yung sa akin. Wala na. Ako pang naunang naupo.
We're back on the bench. Tumbang umakyat. No more. We're done.
We're done.
Pag si Taboy pumunta, siya na lang mag-isa. We're done. Oo.
Talaga.
Insert na lang yung picture niya. We made it from there to here on the ground. Ka-woman. Oh, the puppies here in Pikachu Peak. Oh my God. There's only two so far. Oh, this is gonna be a beautiful trail. Wow.